How about my Z Grill's 321 baby back rib family recipe? Okay, let me give it to you. It's pretty simple and easy. And man, those look good. Wash your sister sauce, yellow mustard for your binder, ton of rub, and then apple juice at the end. I'm going to show you how to do that. Put it together. Now get our binder on there for our baby back ribs. Cover front and back. Get it smothered in your famous rub or whatever rub you like. I like the smoky here, sweet and smoky. Then let's get our Z grills all the way up to 160 so we can smoke these bad boys for 3 hours. Look how much room I have in this thing. I love this thing. It lets me hold a ton of food for my family. I feed 10 people with these baby back ribs. 3 hours in, this is how we're looking. We're going to pull them off of here, and then we're going to rub out some new seasoning on here. We got brown sugar on the bottom, brown sugar up top, honey up top. We're going to fold it nice and neat, and we're going to create a funnel gunnel, as I call it, because we're going to pour the apple juice in and make sure it holds it. Fold it up nice and neat. Throw them all back on that Z Grills, baby. Look how many it holds. Again, all 4 are in there. 2 hours in, pull them out one at a time. Now we're going to baste them up with some barbecue sauce, hit them for another hour, and then we're going to pull them off. And this is how they look at the end of 6 hours on that beautiful Z Grills smoker. Oh my gosh, they tasted so good. I'm a happy man. Look at that smile on that bald head. Enjoy, guys, and I'll catch you in the next cook.